Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simplified View. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I brought this from Amazon. It's a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage device. So it comes with the Snapdragon 120G. I'll get into the details later, so let's start unboxing. So here is the phone. I brought an interstellar black variant. Let's keep it aside. We'll have a look at it later. So yeah, you got a 33-watt charger here and a type C cable. This is the 33-watt fast charger. It is claimed that it charges 50% in just 30 minutes. So let's keep it aside. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. Here we have got a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, instruction, so we have got a case. I think it's a dark case, probably. Yeah, dark case. So this is a SIM ejector. So let's have a look at the phone now. It has a look and a feel of a premium device. The back is made up of glass. Actually, I ordered a interstellar black, but it looks more of a blue. Anyway, let's get into the physical overview. You have got a fingerprint sensor over here, volume buttons. Coming to the bottom, we got a headphone jack, USB Type-C port, single speaker, SIM slot over here. This phone has a dual SIM, IR blaster, microphone. Yeah, we got a quad camera setup over here. It's a 64MP wide primary camera, 8MP ultra wide angle camera, 5MP macro camera, 2MP depth sensor. It has a 10x of digital zoom. So we'll see the camera once we switch on the phone. Actually, you feel it a tad heavier because it weighs around 209 grams. So a bit heavier, but definitely not a deal breaker. So before it switches on, let's have a quick look at its specifications. It's really smooth. The processor is actually great. Snapdragon 720G. Yeah, there is no initial lags whatsoever. Let's look at the storage. This is a 128GB variant. So let's see the available storage. So yeah, the available storage is 108GB. So if you buy a 128GB variant, the available space for you will be around 108GB. Yeah, overall it feels really good. Really smooth to use, no lags whatsoever. It's more like a Redmi Note 9 Pro. The only difference between Redmi Note 9 Pro and Max is the charger and the camera setup. Basically, that's it. Not much of a difference between those two. So, yeah, overall, it's a pretty good phone for its price range, and I would definitely recommend it. You can buy this phone, it's really good. I'll check the camera and complete phone, and I'll do a review of it once I use the phone for some days. So the initial overall experience is really good. Yeah, the phone comes with a pre-installed bloatware, but you can uninstall most of it, so that's not a problem. Yeah, overall, it's a pretty decent phone for its price range. Feels a bit heavier, but not a problem. The weight is mainly because of its huge battery. It comes with a 5020 mAh battery, which is claimed to last around 2 days, which I'm going to test once I start using this phone. So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.